In this video, we show how to replace the rear OCP in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove the rear OCP with the cover, riser blanks 3 and 5 as well as riser 4 removed, lift up on the blue latch and then press back on the OCP to remove it from the system. To install the OCP, align it with the rear of the system and slide it in, press it all the way in until it clicks into place, and then press down on the blue latch to secure it. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.